Welcome back to the channel, guys. You're in the garage of Mr. Flea, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of MOT failure work on the pal of mine, his Hayabusa. Now it's got a problem, excessive play in the rear linkage. I'll just show you where we are. I've got it on the other stand so I can manipulate the back wheel. I've got a bit of light on the situation, but and I'm just using this stand just to lift up the back swinger to take the actual tension off the bolts. Now, as you can see, let's just get a bit of light effect. This is the linkage in question, so I've loosened a couple of these bolts off, but the excess plays in this rear bush right at the back. I'll just show you, look at this. Now, either the bearings collapsed and failed, or there's something else gone wrong. So what we're going to do, we're going to crack the rest of the bolts to the rear suspension, the bolt where the actual excess play is, and let's just slide that out and have a look what's going on. Okay, job done, linkage off. This is the part in question. As you can see, all the bearings look intact, all the spaces are perfect. There's no excess play in any of these spacings here that slide out. You know, there's no movement in those as such. But what I did find is, whoever has serviced or maintained this bike, this one for instance, look at the thickness of the actual bolt. It's perfect size for sliding into the actual spaces, and that would be the same thickness for this one. The one actually going into the rear shock, that's a slightly thinner diameter. There's nothing wrong with that. That one's over there, but this front one has been assembled with this. Check this out. Completely the wrong bolt. Now either they've lost the bolt or whatever, I don't know what's gone on there, but it's going to be a case of getting down to Suzuki and ordering the correct bolt for that part of the linkage. So that's what we're going to do now. The next time we continue this video, I'll have the part in hand and it's just be a quick reassemble job.
4 to 6 days later.
Okay, fast forward 4 or 5 days. We took a trip down to Suzuki and we ordered the appropriate bolts. I'll flash a little diagram up now of exactly what I needed to order. As you can see on the diagram, there was about, what was it, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts in total needed. Here they are, fresh from Suzuki. These actually turned out not to be washers, but they're actually shims, and they'll actually locate in between the linkage and the frame. I'll show you where they go in a bit. You've got the end nut and you've got the actual main bolt itself. That was the one in question. It was sort of like this one, or very similar, that was in the front. Obviously it was the wrong diameter. Whereas this one, it's substantially thicker. So that's the correct bolt now. Right, okay, I hope you can see. We've got this bolt in. That's the new one and that was missing. So you've got the nut. This black section there is the frame, and I think you could just make out the actual shim stroke washer there. So if you looked around the other side here, you can see, look, so there's the bolt coming in from the left hand side as you sit on the bike. The black part's the frame. There's the little shim spacer washer there. Then there's the linkage spacer washer this side, and then the actual nut. So don't forget, 78 Newton meters for this one, or 57 foot-pounds. So that's it. It's all secure now. Give it a wiggle. I mean, you know, it's lovely. There's no play in there whatsoever. Brilliant. Job done. Okay, she's all tightened up. Working from the front, we have the initial bolt. Right there, you can see it. That one is 78 Newton meters, or 57 foot-pounds. Next bolt you put in is the actual rear shock bolt. and not, that one is 50 Newton meters or 37 foot-pounds. Then actually slide the dog bones over, bolt in from the left-hand side. You'll probably have to remove the left-hand exhaust to get that in, which is not a problem. Not on the end. And that's also 78 Newton meters or 57 foot-pounds. If you were also to be doing a bit of maintenance and you've actually loosened this nut for whatever reason, that is also 78 Newton meters and 57 foot-pounds. Well, I hope this video has helped you out, and please like and subscribe, and please comment if you wish to do so, good or bad. It's all feedback. Well, I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Until then, keep it real.